Ever thought about how OSPF areas can make or break your network design?
Oh,
It's like the
totally.
backbone of routing efficiency.
Yeah, and the different area types can get kind of confusing, right?
Absolutely.
I was just diving into stub, totally stubby, and NSSA areas the other day.
Oh man, it's fascinating stuff. So, a stub area is basically designed to block external routes,
Right.
reducing the routing table size.
But then you have totally stubby areas which take it a step further by blocking both external
Exactly.
and inter-area routes.
Yeah, it's like putting the network on a strict diet, trimming all the
That's
excess
a good
fat
one.
for optimal performance.
But what about NSSA areas? They
Oh,
allow for some
NSSAs are like
external
the
routes
hybrid
but still
solution.
keep things streamlined.
Right, they're the have your cake and eat it too of OSPF areas. You can inject
Exactly.
external routes without flooding the entire OSPF domain.
It's amazing how much efficiency you can gain with proper OSPF design, but it's also easy to
Absolutely.
mess things up if you're not careful.
Tell me about it. Remember that time we misconfigured a stub area and lost connectivity?
Oh, that
Took
was
us
a
hours
nightmare.
to figure out.
Yeah, because we forgot that the stub flag needs to match on all routers in the area. Learned that the hard
Exactly.
way.
You know, it's like trying to enter a club with a mismatched dress code. You're not getting in unless
Great
you
analogy.
comply.
So true. And the OSPF adjacency just won't form if the stub flags don't match. Keeps everything
Yep, that's
consistent.
OSPF being strict for good reason. Speaking of consistency, implementing these areas can drastically reduce unnecessary LSA flooding,
Right.
which optimizes network performance.
But don't you think sometimes we overcomplicate things? But advanced
perhaps.
configurations can yield significant benefits if done right.
True, but it's important to weigh the complexity against the actual gains. No need to
Yeah, I
fix
see
what's
your
not
point.
broken.
Exactly. It's all about striking the right balance, too tight or too
like tuning a
loose, and it
guitar.
just doesn't sound right.
Great metaphor. So, have you checked out INE's latest labs on OSPF? Are
Not
they
yet.
good?
Oh, they're fantastic. Real hands-on scenarios that dive deep into these area types. Nice, I'll have to give them a try.
You totally should. It's one thing to read about it, but
Right.
actually configuring and troubleshooting is a whole different ballgame.
Absolutely agree. Well, thanks for the heads up. Let's
Anytime.
conquer those OSPF areas.